guys, Peter over at Union Farm Equipment. I want to show you guys a pretty cool product that we just picked up. It's from Red Dog, called the VAC TRAC, one of a kind. We are the first store to have it in stock and sell it in the United States and worldwide. So when you purchase this machine, comes with a VAC TRAC apparatus, comes with an extension hose, comes with another extension hose and also a like a gasket that goes in there and seals it up. When you get it, this will be over the on button. You'll remove that piece. Comes off just like that. You can retain it or throw it away. It's good for protecting that button and the charging port. It does come with another fitting that fits different size holes. Pretty cool. And there are a few more in there, as you can see. Kind of hard to see. Also does come with a charging cord as well. So you might be asking yourself, why would I need a VAC TRAC? Well, let me show you. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do, we'll pretend like this is the machine. Could be your hydraulic reservoir, could be your engine oil, anything. So say you wanna change your oil filter or your hydraulic filter or something like that, or you sprung a leak. My favorite one is springing a leak. Say you got an active leak going on, all you do is put that right in the orifice, turn that on, and it suspends all the fluid up and it keeps it from leaking. As soon as you turn it off, it'll start coming out again. You guys may have used a vacuum cleaner in the past, but this is a lot more accessible out in the field. So a lot of my technicians in the shop use this all the time, day-to-day purposes. And also my mobile technician that comes out to your guys' place comes out and uses it all the time. So very nice product. Lots of uses for it. Recommended by Peter down at Union Farm. Got my seal of approval for sure. Union Farm Equipment, the friendly folks.